Hi, hello. Good wishes to everyone. Welcome back to our class. See, in this session we are going to learn about it is classes. Yes, I'm here to teach you about classes. Yes. So what is class? What is classes? See, a group of words which contains subject and predicate. Yes. So a group of words, that is a set of words which contains subject and predicate, which make complete sense for the entire sentence. Yes. So which can able to give the complete sense for the entire sentence. Yes. So that is the classes. Right. So when comparing with phrases, it can able to give the that is complete sense for the entire sentence with the combination of subject and verb. Right. So but phrases, while talking about the phrases, it got able to give. Yes, but it can give, that is classes. While talking about the classes, it can able to give the combination of subject plus verb, that is subject and predicate, which make a complete sense for the entire sentence. Yes, so that is the classes. Yes, before learning this, we should be aware of that is sentence. What is sentence? Because based on the sentence only, it is going to act, it is going to perform. Yes, so that is the process of classes. So based on the sentence. Yes, so we should be aware of sentence. So what is sentence first? See, sentence is nothing but that is a set of words or a group of words. Yes, collectively known as sentence. So it is that is with a complete sense for an entire sentence. Yes, so it can also give the complete sense, that is perfect sentence. Yes, so I have given one example. See, Ramu is writing a letter. Yes, so Ramu is writing a letter. It is a simple sentence. Yes, so we are going to mark the pattern. Yes, see, Ramu, that is subject, doer of an action, that is beginner of a sentence, and is helping verb, writing a verb. Yes, that is main verb, action verb. Yes, so he is writing a verb. Then a letter is an object. So letter is an object. Yes. So we have marked the pattern. Yes. See here, Ramu is writing a letter. Ramu is a subject. His writing is a verb. A letter is an object. Yes. See here. Let me divide it into two parts. That is, one is the subject and the remaining part will be the predicate. Right. So subject and predicate. Right. Subject. The first part will be the subject and the remaining part will be the predicate. Yes? Yes. So a sentence is divided into two parts, two division. That is, one part is subject and the another part is predicate. Right? So first part will be the subject and second part will be the predicate. Right? So this is the sentence. See, by based on the sentence only, the classes will going to act. Yes? So let's write the example here. See, and another one point is there, that is two independent sentences can join to make a sentence. Yes. So two independent sentences or that is two groups of words. That is two groups of words. Yes, two set of words. Yes, are joined to make a complete sentence. Yes, to show that is a classes. Yes, so that is the classes, right? So let's write one example. See, Sandy lost the watch. Yes, which was gifted, which was gifted to him. Yes. So students, look at the sentence. Sandy lost the watch. Yes, Sandy is a one person. Yes, so he lost the watch. Yes, lost the watch which was gifted to him. Yes, so that was gifted to him. That is by the one person, right? So Sandy lost the watch which was gifted to him, right? See here, Sandy is the subject. That is name of your person, right? So subject lost the watch. It is lost verb. Subject the watch. That is object. You know that. And here, see, it is dividing the sentence. Yes, comma is splitting the sentence. See here, and which here, which is acting as a subject. Yes, and was gifted is a verb. Yes. So here which is acting as a subject and was gifted is a verb. To whom, right? So here this is acting as an object, right? See here, now it is a one sentence, it is a single sentence, but it is a large sentence. But it is divided into two parts, two division. Yes, see here, this is one class. Yes, so this is also one class. Yes, so class. Yes, so this is a class. So these are all that is process of classes. Yes, so it is a single sentence, but a set of that is two groups of sentence, so that is words. Yes, or it may be a sentence. Anyhow, there is two groups it will present. Yes, so that is named as what? Classes, or two independent class, two independent sentences, or two set of, that is two groups of words. Yes, so separately. Yes, so known as what? Classes. Yes, but it is a single sentence. It is a perfect sentence from here and to here. This is a simple sentence. Yes, but it is divided into two parts. That is named as what? Class. Right? So this process is known as class. So let's recall. Class is a group of words which contains subject and predicate which make complete sense. Yes, so it always, yes, accept the combination of subject plus verb. Yes, so and it acts, that is, it gives the two independent sentences together to form a complete sentence. Yes, so with the complete sense. Yes, that's it, students. So these are all the class. Yes, the process of class. Yes, so I hope you all understand. Thank you for being a part of the session. Thank you.